Welcome back, folks. Deutschland Dan here, back on the roof. Trying to clean up the gutter right now, but don't have the proper implements. All the loose shingle debris and shit. I'm right on the edge, so yeah, I got a guy next door working under me, shoveling. And yeah, the roof's coming along pretty well. Hopefully we'll finish today, but yeah, the sun is just brutal. It's like 30 plus, no shade, no cloud cover. Not ideal conditions for working up here. So we're gonna finish off this side today. I'm just gonna clean up the gutters, power wash them later with the hose, and then yeah, we're gonna come back to this probably late September, early October when it's cooler and less humid, less hot, less brutal. Deutschland Dan, sign off. Peace out.